Hey folks, back out on the water today. It is a little bit later than usual. The sun's already up, but longer days here in the summer means I have to get up a lot earlier to get up with the sun. But it's supposed to be warm, but with a slight breeze from the right direction today. So hopefully we'll catch some fish. Well, this is Brushy Creek, which is the creek that runs into Brushy Lake to form the lake. This is as far up as I've ever been, and this is the railroad bridge that runs over it. And you can see the creek further up there. Right beside it here are these massive blocks of granite that somebody who was just back there on the lake told me that these were part of the shipment to, well, probably many shipments to build the state capitol building in Austin, which is down that direction, 12, 14 miles or so. But that obviously these didn't make it. There's one here, and then there are 15 or so on the other side there. So I don't know why they came off the train, but this is where they are. And definitely it's real pink. I don't know if we can see it very well on video, but it's a very distinctive color. So this is definitely the same kind of granite that's in the Capitol. So anyway, interesting tidbit for today. Fish on. Not a big one. Not a big one, but a fish. All right. Not a big one, but a fish. Come on. There you go. Ooh, that was a warm one today. It is really hot right now, so I think I'm going to call it a day. I got just that one fish, but honestly, about half the day I was exploring instead of fishing, and that was kind of fun. So, but now it's pretty warm, so time to call it a day. Anyway, thanks for watching.